Hi guys, my name is Preschool Learning. Are you ready? Hello Kitty. It looks great. Let's go. Blue marker pen. Black marker pen. Green marker pen. Brown marker pen. Yellow marker pen. Blue marker pen. Pink marker pen. Orange marker pen. Purple marker pen. Red marker pen. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks great. Wow. Let's start. Red marker pen. I love to paint. Hello Kitty. Wow.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah.
Looks great.
Horn on the bus goes beep 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 beep.
Congratulations.
Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep. Off
I love to paint. It looks great.
the wheels on the bus.
Yellow marker pen.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty. Wow. Pink marker pen. I love pencil.
Bus go up and down, up
Color paints.
up and down. The people on the bus
Green marker pen.
and down. Off
Wow. Orange marker pen.
on the bus.
It looks great.
Yeah.
Wow.
The bus goes beep 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 beep.
I like painting.
Goes beep 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 all through the town.
Red marker pen. Yes.
The wheels on the bus.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations. Yellow marker pen.
On the bus go up
Wow.
and down, up and down, up and
It looks great.
people on the bus
I love to paint.
and down.
Hello Kitty.